Welcome to how to earn money from Facebook tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money from Facebook through stars. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you go to Facebook Reels or Facebook videos, you will see that there's something here named stars. So you can give stars to anyone who make videos. So if you give him 50 stars or 100 stars, he get half a dollar or $1. So the more stars you give someone, the more money he gets. So one way of getting money from Facebook is through making content and getting stars donated by your followers. So if someone likes your content, he can just press on the stars and donate 50 stars up to a custom amount of stars. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.